In this video, we're going to be looking at the wiring of the SolarEdge home battery. Simply wire the earth to the earth terminal bar using either 6 to 10mm CSA cable. You'll notice that the earth terminal has two fixings. That's for if two batteries are being parallel together. Once the earth is in, we can then fix the DC. With the battery comes supplied two MC4 connections, so simply connect those to suitable PV DC 600V rated cable and connect them into the positive and negative associated terminals. The SolarEdge home battery comes with a couple of positions to fit cable ties. Use these to secure the cables in place. If two SolarEdge home batteries are going to be connected in parallel, you'll need to use the SolarEdge Y branch connector. So simply plug those in, and each of the associated DC connections, one from the additional battery and the second going back to the inverter. If only two SolarEdge batteries have been connected, these can be wired directly to the inverter. If however three SolarEdge home batteries are being used, you'll need to use the DC combiner. So for that, two batteries need to be connected together using the Y branch connector, and the third battery directly into the DC combiner. So for communications, the SolarEdge home battery comes with pre-installed SolarEdge home network antenna and internal comms. If however this is not going to be used, you can also use RS485. For that, simply connect the RS485 cable through the supplied gland and wire it into the terminal blocks. For this process, firstly you need to undo the terminal block and remove it, and then simply wire in the ground and the two A and B terminals as shown here. And replace the terminal block. If two SolarEdge batteries are being parallel together, or three, the RS485 connection can be daisy chained between each. As you'll see on the terminal block, there is an in and out connection for the RS485, so simply wire the adjacent SolarEdge home battery to the spare port on the terminal block. And that completes the wiring for the SolarEdge home battery.